Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce and I want to thank you for watching. This video is about creating a split screen, picture-in-picture, those kind of effects. So let's get right to it. What you see here is a girl walking, and then I've used picture-in-picture to place a couple of pictures, overlays on top of that. Then the girl's still walking. I got that from Pixabay. This I also got from Pixabay. And the skiers I got from YouTube, and I'll show you how to do all this, how to get these pictures as well. At Pixabay, just click on where it says images in the search box, then click on that drop down, click videos. That'll take you to the video section. On YouTube, search for like skiing, for example, and then click on filters, and then under filters, click on Creative Commons. That'll take you to Creative, that'll give the videos that will appear are Creative Commons, which means they're free to use with attribution. And then this is Free Download Manager, which is a tool, I'll leave a link below, that will allow you to download from videos from YouTube with no problem. And what you're seeing above is a sample of what we're going to be creating in just a moment, with picture-in-picture, side-by-side, and more. So let's get to it. Going to backgrounds. I can use any background. I'll use the blue gradient. I'm stretching it out a little bit, but I'm going to add some videos. I've added 4 surfing videos, and I'm going to put them on top of my blue screen, my background. As you can see, I should have 4 surfing videos. I do. And shorten them up here to 45. So they're approximately 45. You're seeing my blue screen. Now what I'm going to do is go to the top video, click on it, and then up here on picture-in-picture, I'm going to keep it at picture-in-picture, and I can just shrink this video to 1/4. When I see those lines, the green lines, I'm where I want to be. Then I'm going to go to my next video, click on my next video, I'll put that in that other corner. Click on my next video. I want to put that in my bottom corner, so I'm just going to go this way. And then as soon as I see those lines, I know I'm where I want to be. This is my last one. I want to put it in that other quadrant. And once I go to the lines, now I've got 4 pictures, all picture-in-picture. There's all 4 together. Let me go down here. I just want to shorten this blue screen, the background, to the same distance for my next video. But I've got 4, I should have 4 images on the same one. Let's see what happens. There we go. That's all there is to it. That's 4 pictures in going at the same time, all on one screen. Let me show you how you can do picture-in-picture. What I'm doing is I'm going to add media file and downloads girl. This is the girl that was walking, and you can see that's the girl walking. I'm going to just cut this up a little bit. She is walking. I'm going to cut it. This over the top. This over the top. Now I can have one and then the other, or I can have both at the same time. So I have them at the same time. Now I'm going to click on this. I can move it. I can angle it. Down a little more. The same size. see. And I'm going to import a couple of one walking, I hope, a race and a car. And I've added a car racing and walking. I need to go back here and do a blue background. Stretch this out a little bit. Put the car racing over top. I want to put the running over top. Size it down there. And now I'm going to do click on this, and instead of picture in picture, I want to do side by side. Okay, now here's side by side. Okay, now I can do a little bit better job if I want, which I do. I would like to do a little bit better job. I'm going to go to crop and rotate. What I can do is center, more center if I want. This will be the center. Race. And now we have a car race and a race side by side. So that's how you do the side by side. I prefer to use the crop and rotate. I crop it that way. Typically I get it more centered. So picture in picture, side by side, split screen, they're all really just types of overlays. And when you want to do something like that, just think of it as an overlay. Simply drag it over your main film or your background or whatever your main film is. Drag it over. You can do 2, 3, 4, and that's how you use these overlays in order to do picture in picture and split screen and side by side. So this was done on a Movavi Business 15. I've got a link below to that. I happen to love it, but that is a paid. It is a paid video editor. I will leave a link below to ShotCut, ShotCut. That is a free video editor that is pretty incredible. Maybe not the best, but probably the most user-friendly and one of the best. It's an outstanding video editor, and you can do picture-in-picture, split screen, and side-by-side, and so on with that editor as well. So I'll leave a link below to a video about it. So if this is the kind of stuff that is of help to you, please give us a like. Appreciate it. And if it's something that you like more of, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and that way you won't miss out on any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success.